Exercise 3.19, sixth sum. Show that the matrices, the given A matrices, A matrix nothing but 1, 2, 3, 1. B matrices, B matrix nothing but 1, -2, -3 and 1. Satisfy the commutative property. What is the commutative property? AB is equal to BA. This is the commutative property. Therefore, to prove AB is equal to BA, this property name is called commutative property. Commutative property. Sometimes in questions they will not given AB equal to BA. They will give the question as satisfy the commutative property. You want to know AB is equal to BA as the commutative property. So I am going to take LHS. What is LHS? LHS is nothing but AB. Right? A matrix. What is A matrix here? 1, 2, 3, 1. Next B matrix. B matrix is 1, -2, -3, 1. First I need to check whether matrix multiplication is possible or not. See how many rows is present here? 2 rows. How many columns? 2 columns. Here 2 rows and 2 columns. First matrix column, second matrix row, both are same. So matrix multiplication is possible. I had told in previous video session itself, the resulting matrix nothing but 2 cross 2. I need to put 2 rows and 2 columns. So use this matrix. How many rows present here? 1, 2 rows. How many columns? 2 columns. I have told in the previous video session, in the first matrix we need to take R1 and R2, that is we need to take only rows R1, R2. In second matrix we need to take only columns C1 and C2, R1, R2 and C1, C2. This is called R1, this one is called R1, this one is called R2, this one is called C1, this one is called C2. So apply now. First R1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, R2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1. Next C1, 1, -3, 1, -3, 1, minus C1 no, 1, -3, 1, -3. Next C2, -2, 1, -2, 1. Next what I am going to do? Nothing but matrix multiplication. 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into -3 is nothing but -6, 1 into -2 is -2, 2 into 1 is nothing but 2. Next 3 into 1 is 3, 1 into -3 is -3, 3 into -2 is -6, 1 into 1 is 1. So what is the answer is going to be? 1 minus 6 is -5, -2 plus 2 is 0, 3 minus 3 is 0, -6 plus 1 is nothing but -5. Keep it as equation 1. This is AB. Next I need to show RHS. What is RHS? RHS is nothing but BA. So next I am going to derive BA. So RHS BA. First write B matrix. What is the B matrix given here? 1, -2, 1, -2, -3 and 1. Next A matrix, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. So first I need to check matrix multiplication is possible or not. I need to check whether matrix multiplication is possible or not. So here what is order for this matrix? 2 cross 2, 2 rows, 2 columns. Here 2 rows, 2 columns. First matrix column, second matrix row are same. The resultant matrix will be 2 cross 2, nothing but 2 rows and 2 columns, 2 rows and 2 columns. So put how many row? 2 rows. How many columns? 2 columns. So close the matrix here. I have told in previous video session, in first matrix I need to take rows only, that is but R1 and R2. Second matrix column C1 and C2. This is R1, this is R2, this is C1, this is C2. So apply R1 and R2. First I need to apply for R1. 1 -2, 1 -2, 1 -2. Next R2. What is R2 here? -3, 1, -3, 1, -3, 1. So now apply C1. 1, 3 1 3. Next apply C2. 2 1 2 1. Next go through the multiplication. What is the multiplication? 1 into 1 is 1, minus 2 into 3 is minus 6, 1 into 2 is 2, minus 2 into 1 is nothing but minus 2, minus 3 into 1 is minus 3, 1 into 3 is 3, minus 3 into 2 is minus 6, 1 into 1 is 1. So what is the answer is coming? 1 minus 6 is minus 5, minus 2 plus 2 is 0, minus 3 plus 3 0, minus 6 plus 1 is nothing minus 5. This is equation 2. This is equation 2. This is BA. From equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, AB is equal to BA. Hence proved.